So for example, this is visible now, window.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So subtract a, multiplication is a into b equal to a into b. 10 into 20 is equal to result 200. And say I b divided a division of, so 2.0. Okay, if you want a result, division is a most important. Division, if you want only integer value, this is a fraction value. 2.0 is a fraction value and a float value. If you want only decimal value, only 2, so therefore is a floor division, that is called floor division. FLOOR, floor division. That means b double symbols, double symbols, so that only this is result of 2. Got it? This is called floor division. If you want only integer value, so go for floor division. This is double symbol, double forward slashes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is same results. If I say modulus, so modulus. Modulus b of a, this is 0, because 0, 10 divide 20 divided by 10, 2 divided by modulus remainder is 0, so remainder is 0. Okay, 20 divided by 10 modulus. Yeah, this is a your arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator means addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisional, modal, or and floor division operator. That means floor division operator. If you want a print, if you want a print float value, so this is a kind of division. And if you want only integer value, so this is go for double floor, yeah, double slash operator, forward slash operator. Done. This is your first arithmetic operator. Second is relational operators. Got it? Arithmetic operator. Understand now? Fayaj, Krishna, got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
okay, okay, yeah. So relational operators. Relational operators. Relational means, what is relational? What do you mean relational? Can you explain? Relationals between two operators, two mathematical operations. Relation between brother sisters relations, mother sisters, mother father, mother son. That is relations between two and more options operators, like a symbols, less than, less than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. That is four symbols, relational operators. First off, so if uh, okay, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. and print. Comma P. Very slow. My computer very. So go through this code. Okay. A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So print of A comma B. So A less than B. What is the result? A less than B. A small than B.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the result?
True.
True. True. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah. A greater than B. Result is false. Done. So two conditions are checked. Result only true and false. This is a bool data type, Boolean data types. Okay. If I check A less than B equal to. So what is the result? True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Sir.
True. Because less than only this is less than symbol. So less than is true. Both are condition only one true. Yeah, to equal, yeah, less than. So less than is true. So become a result true. So greater than is result is false. Okay. If I example A10 equal to B10. A greater than B. What is the result?
True, sir.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Why? True is because both
Because
equal to is same, but greater than is false. So both are condition only one condition true. That result is true. Got it?
yes, sir.
Okay. Same things, same. This is result true. Got it, Fayaz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So be the same result is relational operators. Got it? Relational operator. Any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. Yeah. We can apply relational operators for str type also. We can apply relational operators, strings, numbers, and integers and float values. So also apply string types. So how to apply? So same thing. So str1 equal to Krishna and str2 equal to Fayaz.
Sir, quotes.
Yeah.
No. You missing the quotes. I want to say.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it? Visible?
Yes, sir. Received, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Clear now? String str1 is a Krishna, str2 is a Fayaz. If I check print str1 less than str2, what is the result? True or false? Fayaz?
False.
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 Okay. This result false because Krishna
Length of the character.
length of character 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 and 5 both are इसलिए result is so greater than result is true because str first is greater than str seconds. Same condition equal to result false greater than equal to result true. If I check one str1 len of str1 7. If you want a character to check how many character in the string, so len character. Len means length, length, length. So determine len. If you want to str2 check 5 characters. Got it? The same result is concatenations. So str1 plus str2. So result is Krishna and Fayaz. But I want a one space. So result is become no. So result is same. Okay, Krishna and Fayaz. This is if you want a space, so become a concatenations plus and space and plus. This is your print. So any confusion? True and false, less than, greater than.
No, sir.
Got it now? Okay. Domain apply true and false. So print true less than true. Result is false. Why? Because one less than is one no equal. So result is false. Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to. So result is true because true one. Both symbols are one symbols are true. So result is true and same condition apply. True. False. Then result is false because true less than false. One less than zero. So result is false. True greater than false. This is result true. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first condition, check if and else. So simple programs if else. This is a statements. Okay, flow control. So statements if and else. More program is आगे की ओर. So A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So if A less than B, so P, then result print is A less than B, okay, and else print A not less than B. A less than B. So if conditions, if you want one condition to many more conditions, 1 2 3, apply the 3 to minimum 1 and maximum many more, so that is used to if and else condition. I will show you one example over. B is greater than A. And else B, A not less than B. So okay, A greater than B आएगा यहाँ पर. So result is else part. If you want check if A less, print A less than B if this is condition satisfied. So result is A less than B. Else part not become a less else part. But if A greater than B, A greater than B, A greater than B, A big of B, no. Present A less than B. So result is else print A not less than B. So simple rules of ये results. So output this same. So note, this is not main. Chaining of relational operators, if possible, in the chaining of all comparison return true, then only result is true. If at least one comparison returns false, then the result is same conditions. So okay, the output, tell me the output. A equal to equal to 20, C equal to 30, or D equal to 40. So P A less than B less than D. So what will the output? Fayaz and Krishna, what is the output in this condition?
B is less than B part.
Yes,
That part will
False.
be
Krishna, yeah, Krishna, tell me. A
A greater than B, sir. That part will be false.
first part is
No,
false.
sir. Here will get true. Yeah, this one is the first part is false. Second part is true. So we will get true.
Okay, true is Fayaz and Krishna.
Yes, sir. That's only.
True. Okay, which means false. Why become a false? This definition, okay, go through. Chaining of relational operators is possible in the chaining. If all comparison return true, then only result is true. If at least one comparison return false, then the result is false. Because first condition is false, so go through second condition, second, third, fourth, only false. This is a first condition, false, false. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. B less than D. Result is true. And B less than A less than and greater than C. What is the output?
True, sir.
True.
Yeah.
Okay. A less than B. Result is true.
True.
Okay. B less than D. Result is
True.
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 And D greater than C. D greater than C. Result is
True.
true. Okay. Result is true.
True.
Okay. This is a interview questions, interview purpose questions. Major confused interviewer in the asking interviewer. So confused questions. So practice and all questions practice. So easily to use, easily to speak. So any doubt? Relational operators?
No, sir.
Got it? No? Okay. Uh, third operator is equality operators. Equality. So both are same. That is result equal. And if you want one condition not equal to other operators, so that is not equal to. Fayaz Mohammed, ये two IDs. Fayaz?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I
Fayaz.
just joined with my sister.
Okay,
Am
okay.
I audible, sir?
Audible.
Yeah, I left from my mobile.
Okay. Yeah. So equality operators, double equal to and not equal to. So we can apply these operations. We can apply these operators for any type, even or incompletable types also. Even यानी कि true or incompatible यानी कि true या false, both between conditions. So incompatible type also. So that can use double equal to and not equal to. For example, A equal to B. This is a double operator to check equality. Double operator, so equality check, and single operator, that is only assignment operator to assign the value. If you want double equality, double barabar, double assignment operator, so that is only check equality, both are same or both are different, and only one operator, so that assign the operator in the value. So 20 is assigned a. Got it? And print equal to a if you want equality, checking the equality, so create a double equality. Got it? So result false. A equal to b, because a is a small, b is a 40, so big, so not a equal. And not equal, a not equal b, so result is true. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I and result is, if a equal to b, so print equal, and else go for print not equal. So not equal, because both answer is same, but conditions apply different. If you want alpha, if I multiple conditions, so if I check, if a, so print equal, and if I say elif a not equal to b, print not equal, else thank you. So result is not equal. So elif is condition satisfied. If you want to multiple condition 1, 2, 3, 4, many more, so that is elif. The new topic is statement flow control. So that is topic. If else if, for loop. So go for, so equality operators. So many conditions are check it. If I print true equal to 10, boolean to integer, so result is false. 1 true is means 1 equal to 10, not equal, so result is false. If I say true equal to false, so result become false. True is ask string, so result is false. And Compare string string, result is true. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note chaining rules. Chaining concept is applicable for equality operators. If at least one comparison returns false, then the result is false. Otherwise, the result is true. Understand? Chaining concept is applicable for equality operators. If at least one comparison returns false, then the result is false. Otherwise, result is true. Then equal to 20, equal to 30, 40. Then result is false. Because then result is false. If I say 10, so result is false. Because this is condition true, but this condition satisfies not. So false, then false. And if I say 10, 10, 10, 10, you only. So result is become true. Without equality operators?
No, sir.
Okay, Fayaz,
Yes, sir.
got it now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, great. Third is logical operators. How many operators? Equality operators and relational operators and arithmetic operators, relational operators. That is called as soon as comparison operators. Both are same, relational and comparison operator. Logical operators. Third topic. Logical operators. Types of logical operators. And, or, and, not. Three type of operators. If you check both conditions true, if you want both condition true, that is used to and if you want to only one condition true, that is defined or. Not is not none is a no, this is not major type. So we can apply for all types, for boolean types behaviors, and if both arguments are true, then only result is true. Or 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 if at least one argument is true, then result is true. Not complement. This is a complement. If you want a bar one no vodka, this is a complimentary. you know. So true and false. False true or false. True and false. If you want and apply. False. This result is false. Okay. And true or false. Then result is true. Not false. This is true. I will show you example. For non-Boolean type behavior, 0 means false and non-zero means true. Empty string always treat as false. X and Y. If X is evaluates to flex, return X, otherwise return. If X is evaluate to false, return X, otherwise return y. Example 10 and 20, 0 and 20. If first argument is 0, then result is 0, otherwise result is y. If x evaluate to true, then result is x, otherwise result is y. So otherwise example, so example is okay. So let's see example. Your practical is main understandable. So print Ram and Sham. So result is Sham. Why Sham? Print is Sham. Okay, and result is or. So result is Ram. Three candidates. 1 minute. If evaluates false, result is true, otherwise false is not 10. So false, not 0 is true. If I or Durga is result. Durga and Durga soft. So biggest, so result is so Ram and biggest Sham. So result is Sham. And or condition. This is true, only one condition true. So one condition is true. So return is Ram. And otherwise if want empty string, so Sham or empty string, so result is Ram. And if you want to end, that is empty string. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So only this understand purpose, this is a big example ahead, become a big examples. Only this operators, why use, this is a become a list operator, this is a major thing. So list data structure, set and dictionary, this is a all types big program is become a 3 types of data type. So big understanding, only a simple way understandable. So fifth is bitwise operator. So bitwise operator is we can apply these operators bitwise. We can apply these operators bitwise operators. These operators are applicable only for int and boolean types. Two conditions are applied only bitwise operator, boolean or int. By mistake, if we are trying to apply for any other type, then we will get error. Yeah. Why error? So 5 types of operators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 6 type of operators. So print 2 and 3. So result is 2 because end operator valid. This is a valid. So not judgment of print why should go for 4 and 5. This is a print. So go for this is result will become 4. This only to to return. This is both condition are true, both condition are integer, so result is only first conditions. If I check this is operator, okay, 1.2 and 1.6 become track by most recent calls. File type error, unsupported operator type S for float and F1 float. Float and float and not defined. Only float, only boolean and float. So 1.6. So result is not int and float, only in type or int type. So that is become a type error. Unsupported operation type for float and float print true and true valid. True is true, valid, float and float not valid. So these things by mistake, if you are trying to apply for any other type, will be gets an error. Those operators will be for int and booleans. So end operator. If both bits are 1, then only result is 1. Otherwise, result is 0. If both bits are 1, then only result is 1. Otherwise, result is 0. If at least 1, this is a OR operator. This is AND, this is OR operator. If at least one bit is 1, then result is 1. Otherwise, result is 0. Both conditions are same. If bits are different, then only result is 1. Otherwise, result is 0. Bitwise complement operators. 1 equal to 0 and 0 equal to 1. This is lambda. This is not use any program. Only bus understand purpose. Bitwise left shift. This is a double arrow and double less than arrow and double greater than arrow. Bitwise right shift, bitwise left shift. So result is, if I check, so print 4 and 5, 4. एक minute, if I check, so result is and indentation error. Okay, indentation means this is not proper use. This is indentation error. So result is 1. Both are condition are same. This is only mathematical operators. Mathematical means bitwise operator 0 1 0 1 1 0 के form में and or XOR, you know, XOR and or you already know. If you are teaching a bit, you are already learning BTech. Yeah, you also know BTech, Krishna and Fayaz.
I'm not in BTech, sir, but I'm a MCA student.
Okay, MC student. So you already know na or operator, bitwise operator, or XOR and 0 0 1 1 1 0 to decimal to fraction value, decimal to octal, decimal. This is number system.
Yes, sir, I know.
है ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is result only number system to decimal to octal, decimal to binary. So this same result decimal to octal, decimal to binary. Okay. So description operator description, and if our both is result 1, so this is the same thing. So this is same things. Okay. The first is both threes are completed, and fourth is shift operators. So left shift operator. So let's check it. Okay. So example 10 to 40. So why is coming 40? So I will explain. So that means 40. Why 40? You know why 40? Because ten, 0, 10, two shifts are. So 0, 2, 4, 8. I will show you this same thing. So 10 to divided by you know octal so decimal to binary. You know how to change decimal to binary. So same thing. Okay. 0. 0 means to convert 10 convert decimal convert to binary. So 10 is convert to binary. So 0 means 1 minute. So okay. So 0 means 0 and 1 means 2, 0, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16, 32 and 64 and 128. You know decimal to binary conversion. So many kind of, so there are 60s and not allowed. So 0 is to 1. Where is 1 1? 1 is 2 and 4 0 2 4 8. 8 is 1. So 8 are plus 2 10. Got it or not got it? Not get it. I will show you one example. Not get it. I know not get it. Not get. Yeah. So 10 the power 2 to convert decimal to binary. Okay. So 0 2 6 8 do 0 2 4 8 and 16. This is only 4 characters. This is 10. So only 10. So 0 is 0. Okay. 2 2 equal 1. So 8 plus 2 equal to 10 है ना. So 0 4 पे 0 8 पे 1 and 16 पे 0. So only 10 8 पे 1 and 2 पे 1. So 8 or 2 10 equal to, so decimal to binary equal to, this is answer 1010. So decimal to convert 1010, 10 to binary, decimal to binary convert 1010. Got it? So 1010 and 4 columns. There are 8 characters. There's a 32. So shift right, left shift operator, that is only used 2 operators. So 2 operators and 1010, then 0 0 0 0. So 40. So 8-bit characters. 1 byte into 8-bit characters. So go on. 2 characters, 2 shift 10, 2 shift, otherwise left side. So left side 2 shift characters, 2 is gone and 2. 2 is reverse. So 2 is gone, 2 is reverse. 2 left shift operator, 2 is starting point. So our mandatory is how to use to convert binary. So 0 and 2 and 4 and 16, 32, 0 to 4, okay, sorry, 8 and 16 and 32 and 0 not initialized, not add 32, 64 like that. So this is code. So 32, okay, 32, 1 is 32, so 32 plus and 8, 1 is, so 32 plus 8 equal to 40. So this is answer your 40. Got it?
Sir, now we got it, sir.
Get it? Multiply? Yeah, tell me. Krishna, tell me.
Sir, now I got it, sir.
Okay,
How
okay, got it.
to
Convert. Okay. And Fayaz, get it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Same things, right shift operator, same things. Then first is go through remove right shift operator 2 and go through add last time. So 10 equal to 2, right shift operator, result is 2. Result is 2. Now your practice base print 42 6 0 7 0 8 0. So only decimal to binary change. So your work is 40 to convert to. Okay, so I will choose 42. 42 to convert 40 convert to and 80 to convert to and 70 to convert to. Got it? 3 example your homework. Got it? So this is a left shift, this is a right shift, or this is a right shift. Got it? 3 examples.
yes, sir.
Okay. Fayaz, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next move. Okay. So right and left. This is a last topic is assignment operators. Assignment after ternary operator. Okay. Assignment operator. Uh, Assignment operator, you know already. This is a kind of a equal to 10. This is a assignment operator. That is called assignment operator. And double equal to if you want to check equality. So this is a equality operator and this is a assignment operator. So we can use assignment operator to assign value to the variable. So same 10 is Data type to assign a variable. So this is assignment operator. Okay, example. We can combine assignment operator with some other operator to form compound assignment operators. Example, x plus 10. So example, both are same. If I x equal to x plus 1, and if I x plus equal to 1, both are same conditions. If you assignment the operator, assign the value. If x equal to x plus 10, if I 10 equal to 10 plus 1, so both are same conditions. If I conditions 10 plus 1, if I a equal to a plus 1 and a plus equal to 1, so both are same conditions. Okay, the following is the list of all possible compound assignment operators in Python. How many operators? So plus, minus, equality, double equality. This is assignment operator to include other operators. Equal to double shift operator, x equal to 10, x plus equal to 20. So x plus 10 and x plus equal to 20. So print of x 30. या फिर same result, x equal to plus 10. Print x, both are same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same things. 10, 5, 4 less 3, and this other operator is assignment operator is done. Okay. Operators. Assignment operator done. That is special operators. Ternary operator. After the special operator. If special operators only two conditions. Is or is not. So आगे go ahead. आगे बताऊंगा मुझे. So this is 24, 25th. Okay. Syntax. X first value if condition else condition value. First value x if condition else second value. So same as ternary operator. If condition is true, then first value will be considered, else second value will be considered. So okay. So same thing, a comma b, a comma b equal to a assign 10, assign a assign 10 and b assign 20. So x equal to 30 if a less than b, else 40. So what will the result? X 30 if a less than b. So this condition satisfied. So result is
कौन सा वाला रजिस्टर ये तो सब लोग नया वाला ही है
so
अच्छा वहाँ पे नहीं है, तो आपके पास है
result is 30.
फोटो भेज दो ना
Why 30?
फोटो भेज दो
Because
और सुनो तो क्या होगा?
first condition satisfy if a less than b. So if a less than b, a less than b condition satisfy, so true, and else 40. So if I 20, if I say 5, so result is 40. Result is 40. Condition is false, so result is 40. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, so ternary operator is done. I want a homework. So for you, first, example. Read two numbers from the keyboard and print minimum value. Three value are print. Three value to input the keyboard and user through input three value and find the minimum value. Got it? And find the keyboard and print the maximum value. Maximum value. Okay. So two examples, and there are two examples to their shift operator. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is screenshot and this is a homework. And one last topic, one topic is or remaining. Which topic? Special character, special operators. This is not a but some big issues. So I will teach you. Tomorrow is holiday because one is a New Year.
1st of January.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any doubt? Operators.
No, sir.
So your practice and other doubts you call you ask me.
Excuse me, sir.
And yeah.
Can you explain? You gave 3 homework in this on this case. Can you explain first one?
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And
Enter the first value. Enter the first value 2. Enter the second value 3. Enter the first value 4. And read the two numbers from the keyboard and print the maximum value. Two numbers, three numbers. Okay. And find the print minimum value. So what is the minimum? 2 is a print 2.
No, sir. I am asking first one.
System.
First one. पहले वाला. ऊपर.
Okay. ये. Okay, ये वाला. Okay. So same thing, same purchase, two different.
Can you explain one more?
Okay, one more.
For this.
Okay, yeah, sure. Same. 10 and 2. So describe your decimal to binary. Okay, convert decimal to binary. Decimal to binary convert 0, 2, 4, 8, 16. There will be very largest number. You go on 16, 32, 64, 128. This kind of. है ना? But shift operator only 8-bit characters. 8-bit यानी के 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 32, 6 and 64 and 128. Got it?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is find? 10. So 10 is 0 and 2 is, yeah, correct, 1 and 4 is nothing and 8 is 1. So 8 and 2, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So result is found it. And otherwise, so this is 0, 16 is 0 and 32 is 0, 64 is 0 and 120 is 0. So 0, 0. So find it 1, 0, 1, 0. So decimal call is 1, 0, 1. Okay. Up. What is the result? So right shift. Okay. So left shift. So because the left shift operator, two left shift. So two conditions, two bar. Okay. So two left shift is so 2 is gone and 2 is coming. Got it? 2 left
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong, remove and add the last. So go on with same thing. So 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 8, 1. Okay. So 8 plus and 1 is 8, 1, 16, 0 and 32, 1. So 32
That-
equal to 40. So result is 40. So result
Okay,
is
sir.
same 40. So same thing. So same condition apply in this task. Okay, 3 tasks
Okay, sir.
and 2 examples, 2 or more. Read computer read. So enter the computer 2 and 3, find the maximum, minimum, maximum value. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, throw user के. Okay. As a Fayaz, basically where are you from?
I'm from Sri Lanka, but I'm living in Dubai.
Acha, you're learning in Dubai. Okay, you're from Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Okay, Dubai is you are doing a job.
Yeah, I'm working here.
Acha, working here.
Yeah.
Okay, which technical? Which type of
No,
industry?
I'm in building construction industry.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
a
building
supervisor.
construction. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So 5 examples you are can get it, and next class I will tell you. Next class, because Saturday Sunday is off, we are going on, so I will tell you. I am asking to my manager, and I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
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 sir.
okay, okay. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.